All right, Floyd, give me your intro.
It's July 12th, 2026 at 6:42 a.m. We are 12 minutes late from Lines End.
It's all Flip's fault. He had to get a burrito.
That is true. But we are heading out of Concho right now, and we're about to go catch some bigs. We're catching 3 for like 30 pounds.
3 bigs going down.
I saw those stumps. It kind of sketched me out. I'm waiting.
Come on. Oh my goodness. It was a dink though, but it was a fish. It was maybe a 12-incher, maybe.
At this point.
Hey, that's what I needed though. I needed a little
fish.
Yeah. Only made like 200 casts.
Yeah, dude. I mean, we made easily over 500 casts.
Yeah. Biggin? Oh, I see him. Yeah. I see him. He got skittish and left. He darted that way. Seemed like a decent sized one, probably 2 pounds maybe. I don't see any more of those going. Oh, actually.
Not really. On a goldfish too. Like, I know we're a little past spawn, but they may be kind of holding up.
I wonder if maybe the bluegill, we've seen so many bluegill, what if they're spawning and they're
Oh my god.
Let's get it going. Come on.
Yep.
There you go.
Let's go, man.
I felt it thump it when just a second ago, and then I was like, yep, I didn't quite get it. Yeah, this looks good.
This looks really good.
I wonder if there's any tucks back in here.
Dude, I mean, we caught fish in like 2 foot of water.
I know.
I'm thinking so. I mean,
5 feet right here.
what?
So it's 5 feet right here.
Oh, there he is. Yep. Yeah. I got a net.
Alright. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to figure out which one's bigger. This one might be bigger than the last one. And this one. Oh, that one just came off too. Now I'm really screwed. Let's see. And they're like pretty even, honestly. Because Because I think you can catch 3 if it's a smallmouth, like no matter what size, right?
I think you're right.
That's what that guy was saying.
Yeah.
But the way we're fishing right now, I don't think we're gonna catch smallmouth because they're usually out deep. Which I'm not trying to target smallmouth either at this lake, personally. Oh, yeah, it was small, super small. I think it was probably a perch, honestly. I had him on.
I saw there were 2 bass there, but they were like tiny.
Yeah, it was tiny, like really tiny. Got one. No. Did it again. I horsed it in. Get it. Oh, okay. Let me. I got you.
I don't think it's very big. Right.
Seems like decent size.
Oh,
Jeez.
Get my goal. Yes. This is the longest time I've ever not scoped. You know?
Yeah.
Whole day. Like, I scoped for a little bit in the morning, but after that, God dang, he's trying really hard.
I got him. There you go.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Horrible net, man.
But
Dude.
right before that grass line, right there.
You have that on camera?
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
3% left.
You gotta post that because I smacked that fish straight in the face and missed it.
It's all good. See, right, 16 on the dot.
I've seen fish hop out of live wells on videos.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say this one.
Sure.
Yeah.
Close it up.
I didn't do it. Forgot to put the lip on this one, other one. Yeah.
All right, for sure. Awesome.
Okay.
All right. Good call.
Come on. Oh, it's a big one. Nope, never mind. It's just got me wrapped up.
He's big, bro.
And he's like.
There he is. Got him.
That's maybe enough.
Big from the side, dude. I was like, he looked. I'm telling you.
Yeah, they're shallow, man.
Yeah. I already thought he was.
I don't know that one. No, it's not 18. I don't measure him anyways.
He's a lot bigger than I thought. I mean, no. Oh, no. Sorry.
Well, at first I'm like, it's not that big, and then it started fighting, and I'm like, okay, it's big. And then.
And is that with fluoro too?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It had me wrapped up pretty good.
Yeah.
So a little bit bigger. All right. Good.
You're there. Got him. That's actually, yeah, got it.